So last time we saw how the iOS 17 made the iPhone's battery worse, but now Apple have issued a fix with the iOS 17.0.3 and they claim it is gonna fix the heating issue and bugs. So I decided to run a battery drain test on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 13 Pro Max with the iOS 17.0.3 on top, and the results were shocking. So all these are on 100% battery health, and like last test I'll run some gaming session, PUBG, then YouTube, Safari, Instagram and camera till they all go down. Yes, I'll also mention the scores and thermals after each test, to make sure to watch it till the end without skipping. My brains is around, but don't know something I know. I don't know if they're still all watching, and I'm this first time I know. Always so really, and I want to see how they are. So I started expecting such massive jump in the battery life. The iPhone 14 Pro Max went on first at 10 hours 51 minutes, which no doubt is a great score, cause in the last test it lost to Samsung S23 Ultra and went just 9 hours 59 minutes. So that is a 1 hour jump in the battery life now. Shockingly, the 13 Pro Max was down at 10 hours 58 minutes. So a nice job done. Still is an amazing device. I like the camera of this device a lord. Then comes the champion, the iPhone 15 Pro Max went 11 hours 31 minutes, which is great. Exactly an hour jump in the battery life in comparison to last jest. So yes, iOS 17.0.3 is a blessing to all the iPhones. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.